This is my test cluster or my donor cluster that I got from eBay. Make sure you get one with a snipped harness if you're going to use it for testing for your DIY LED upgrade, cluster upgrade. I'm just doing this video so I can describe it better than have to write it out in a blog, but I do have a blog format also. So here's how you wire it up. Pins 1 and 2, so the upper right, when you look at everything when it's plugged into the socket, 1 and 2, so the right is 1, the next one over is 2, so 1 and 2. Those are ground, so I have that grounded. I'm going into my M12 battery. And then power, you're going to simulate 3 different power scenarios here. So starting from the right of this group right here, this bundle, starting from the right, that's always on power, so it's your main 12-volt power. The next one over is switch power, so that means your key is in the ignition and the key is turned on. And then you skip one, so that's 5. And 6, this red one right here, this is with the lights on. So you're now simulating as if you're turning the lights on, so you should see everything light up on the cluster. So again, 1 and 2 are ground. So from the right, 1 and 2 are ground. 3 and 4, skip 5 and 6. These are 12-volt power. So you'll see here, I have this hooked up, ground, boom, power. I got it on a fuse, a little 10 amp fuse. And you'll see when I power on, when I plug in, the gauge will turn on. I don't have any needles in here right now, and I've already done the upgrade to white LEDs. Okay, so basically what you're looking at is a scenario where key's in the ignition, it's in the on position, and they've turned the lights on. So now obviously nothing's reporting back to this cluster, so a bunch of stuff is going to light up. You got your tire pressure, ABS, brake, airbag, fuel sensor. All right, that's pretty much how you do it. So again, it's 1 and 2 are ground, and 3, 4, and 6 are power.